Good morning. It's Mrs. Irby, and it should be around September 30th for you guys to watch this video. This video is going to be for the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and this is actually one of my uh, favorite parts of the close reader to actually go over with you guys because it's a big project. We're going to choose countries. We're going to see how they do with the Geneva Code and how their people are treated, and see what aligns with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So for this week, you guys will understand the history, mission, and basic operation of the United Nations. You're going to understand how the UN was a product of the 20th century, built to address international issues of that time. You're going to understand the function of the six bodies of the UN and their main functions. You're going to understand some of the major accomplishments of the UN over the past 60 years and examine some of the past and current criticisms that are related to the UN and analyze the basis for criticism. Why are they being criticized, and is it a fair criticism or critique? You're going to also analyze the purpose of the United Nations and evaluate some of the proposals to address concerns and criticism surrounding it. So this document is important because it is a seminal document. And we've already talked about that. We know that those are older original documents. So you know that the verbiage is very different. They're going to use a lot of whereas, and we really need to take our time and take apart the language. Why are we reading this text? The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a landmark document in human history. The writing style is archaic. There's lots of legal jargon and lots of phrases that you may not understand, but we're going to go through them line by line and unpack them. Um, the standards that we're going to be citing, we're going to be doing a citation of strong and thorough textual evidence. We're going to determine a central idea of the text and analyze the impact of specific word choices. And again, analyzing a seminal document. And that's all of the vocabulary terms that I had you guys go over. We're also going to determine a theme. And just remember, when we're doing theme, you have to ask yourself what general message emerges from reading this document. And also context clues. You can find clues to the document's theme by paying attention to supporting evidence. And you guys can also look at the repetition of terms or symbols. And we've talked about what repetition means within a piece of writing. It's something extremely important, okay? So we're going to be doing a few different kinds of exercises in here, but I just wanted to get you started. We'll start with a brief background of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and then we'll break the class down into groups, and eventually we'll have a trial, which will lead into an argumentative essay. So stay tuned, and I'll talk with you guys later.